Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video you will learn how to add ticket arrangement element. After enter itinerary element, name element and contact element, now need to enter the ticketing arrangement. To request ticket issuance on a specific day by placing a PNR in a ticketing queue, enter TK transaction followed by TL time limit reminder identifier followed by 05 January date, will receive a reminder to issue the ticket on a specific date via the queue system. The TK entry allows more options. For example, if you want to set a deadline for your booking, if you have not issued the ticket by the date specified, your booking will be automatically cancelled on that day. Enter TK transaction followed by XL auto cancel identifier followed by 05 January date /1200 time local time to cancel the PNR. Also you can use TKOK transaction if you want to issue ticket immediately. And that's it. You have just learned how to add ticket arrangement element to a PNR. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it.